Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Lessard, and yes, we are working on money and learning the coins, and there's 4 coins we need to know. We've now covered all 4, so let's do a quick review. The smallest coin is the penny. It is worth 1 cent. That's the smallest amount of money you can have. The next one is the nickel. It is silver, it's chunky, and it looks like this, and that is worth 5 cents. You need 5 pennies. And then we have the tiny dime. Again, craziness that it's smallest, but it's worth more than the other 2. Don't know why they did that, but they did. And the last one we learned yesterday was the quarter. That's the coin we all like. Because when you get 4 of these, you have $1. And it's equivalent to 4 of these makes 100 pennies. One of them is 25 pennies. Okay, so today what we're going to experiment is trying to count coins. Okay, and so if I have all pennies, you just count ones. 1, 2, 3. So you just count them. It's pretty simple because they're all the same. 4. If you have all nickels, you count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. If you have dimes, you count by 10. 10, 20, 30. And quarters, of course, you know you either have 25, or you have 50, or you have 75, and then one more makes $1. Okay, so here's what today's exercise is. Make sure your grown-up freezes it on this. Okay, and this lesson is called Mixed Coins. They're going to see if you can tell the difference, and you're going to circle or color them in. Okay, the directions say color them in so you can buy that toy. So here's this one. You need 8 cents to buy the horse, and there's all pennies. And pennies are worth 1, so how many pennies would you circle? So if you do not have a printer like I don't, you're going to draw. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I put a P in the middle for penny. And how many do you need to buy the little horse? You need 8. So you're going to color in or circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do not need those 2. You need 8 pennies to make 8 cents. Okay, now on the next one, if you look, we want to buy the sailboat. That one costs 15 cents, more money. And these are nickels, so you're going to count by 5 for nickels. Okay, and I put an N in the middle. So we're going to go 5, 10, 15. And I would color those in if I had crayons. And then you're going to go, no, I don't need those. So 5, 10, 15. I put an N for nickel if you don't have a printer. If you have a printer, easy. You can just do the real worksheet. All right, then next one. Oh, we're still doing nickels. We're going to buy the dump truck, and there's 20. So remember, nickels, we're counting by 5. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20. You don't need these 2 guys. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, counted by dimes. I love that because they're 10 cents each. And this little car costs 60 cents. Remember, we're counting by 10, so let's see how many we need. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We don't need those to buy that car. All right, now this one is a teddy bear for 75 cents, and they're showing quarters. Quarters are worth 25 each. So let's see how many quarters we need. 25, 50, 75. Oh, we don't need that one. We're not making $1. We only need 75. And our very last one is a ball. We need 10 cents, and they gave us all kinds of pennies. So we need pennies are worth 1, and we need 10 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need all the pennies to make 10. All right, so if you do not have a printer, do what I did. If you have a printer, print off this sheet right here, which I'm going to have your teacher attach and show your teacher. If you want to practice counting money, when your mom and dad give you a handful of coins like we've been doing all week, put the same ones together and then count them. So right here, I'm going to put all my pennies together. I'm sorting them. And I'm going to see how many pennies. Remember, pennies count by 1. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents. I have 5 pennies. And then I'm going to count my nickels. Let's see how many nickels I have. I only have 1. So 5 cents. Let's see how many dimes I have. Those we count by 10. 10, 20, 30. I have 30 cents in dimes. And let's check out quarters. I have 3. So that's 25, 50 cents, 75 cents. So that's something cool, and you can sort them. So I put all my quarters together, all my nickels, my dimes, and my pennies, and count them. And you can have your grown-up or big sister or brother or cousin or daycare, anyone that's helping you, do that for you. Start with pennies and count by 1. Then if that's too easy, like, oh, I can count by 5s or 10s, and go to the next. And on the quarters, you only need to go up to 4. So you can have $1's worth. Have fun. Can't wait to see your work. Count that money. Money, money, money. Love it. Lots of great videos out there on money, too. Jack Hartman has a really good one, if you haven't seen it yet, where he goes through a penny is worth 1 cent. A nickel is worth 5 cents. And it's really cool, and it reminds you, and you can kind of memorize what they're worth. All right. Have a fantastic learning day, guys. Bye.